Hi everyone. Learn how to create categories in Sales Hub dashboard. To get started, access the Manage section. Now, scroll down the Click on Categories section. Part 1, Creating Parent Categories. To begin, scroll down and select the Categories option. Now, click on the Add Parent button to create a parent category. You can also upload a category image. Then, enter the category name and description. Finally, click on the Save button to save your changes. Part 2, Discover how to add child categories to your parent category. To add child categories, scroll down to the bottom and find the parent category you just created. Click on the Add Child button to add child categories. Upload a category image, and provide a name and description for each child category. Now, click on the Save button to save your changes. Learn how to include subchild categories within your child categories. Upload an image, enter the name and description for each subchild category. After adding the subchild categories, scroll down to the bottom to review the category tree you've created. Congratulations, you've successfully created a category tree with parent, child, and subchild categories for your business.